Dillon, back with some more Bob Dylan, Dillon on Dillon here. We all love Bob Dylan, and what an incredible songwriter. By the way, before I go any further, if you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe down below, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment if you're feeling it. This song is called It Takes a Lot to Laugh, It Takes a Train to Cry. It's a long title for a very simple, cool song. I've heard this done lots of different ways. I've heard Dillon do it lots of different ways. As we all know by now, if you're a Dillon fan, he really does the same thing twice. By the way, I'll be telling you some stories later on about my great experience that I had, my fortunate experience, I should say, playing with Bob back a few years ago. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. So this song, it's got a little kind of a little folk blues groove to it. You hit a G chord, and I recommend putting your pinky finger on that high G note, on the three of the E string. And the reason is you can do, if you hit the G chord like this, and then you finger, looks like an A minor seventh. So you got your second finger on the second fret of the D string, which is an E note. You got your first finger on the first fret of the B string, which is a C note, and it goes like this. Okay? That's a really simple but cool kind of folk blues rhythm. Is just dun, 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 dun. You'll hear that a lot in the folk blues idiom. Well, I ride on a mail train, baby. Can't buy me a thrill. You stay hanging on the G. Been up all night, leaning on my windowsill. Here we're going to go from a G to a G7. If I die to a G7, which is your first finger on the first note of the E string, which is an F note, creates a G7. And then you go to C on top of the to D. I like this song because it's got that loping rhythm. Great feel. And it lends itself to, if you're playing with another guitar player, you can do like a, which is a really, you'll hear that a lot in the early Dylan stuff, in Rainy Day Women, and Everybody Must Get Stoned, everybody must get stoned. It's just so much fun to explore these Dylan tunes. For me, anyway, I grew up with this stuff, so it's great to actually just play it my own way and show you how I feel it, and then encourage you to do the same. Okay? So I'm going to go over that one more time. So if you get this move here, I'll do it really slowly for you. I'll go the sun look good, mama. And you can go coming down advanced players. And what you're doing is you're sliding up to the 7th fret and doing like it's sort of like a blues turnaround. So you got your your second finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and then you got your third finger on the 7th fret of the E string. And what you do is you go down, up, like that. Okay, so you pluck it down, up. Sometimes I do it with my finger or whatever, but with a pick in this case. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. One more time slowly. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. And the way it works in context context is ride on a mail train, can't find me a thrill. Now I know that's a little bit advanced for some of you, but I wanted to throw it in there in case you want to reach a little bit further than just the basic, which is fine, by the way. If you're playing with someone else that can play that, so much the better. It works just fine playing it this way, though, too. And then the last verse is, but when a child is coming, the windows are filled with frost. I want to tell everybody what I could not get across. Whoops. That's okay. Well, I want to be your lover, baby. I don't want to be your boss. Did that D chord? Don't say I never want you when your train gets lost. It takes a lot to laugh, it takes a train to cry, by the incredible Bob Dylan. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Subscribe, come back and say hi, leave a comment, and we'll catch you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.